Hi, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Can y'all hear me clearly? Give me a thumbs up if you can hear me clearly. All right, thank you, Natalie. Yeah, I can see thumbs up. Thank you, Javier. Thank you, Caitlin. All right, so the two videos that you have just watched, right? The first video, they are all related to today's question. All right, so without further ado, I will just start the PowerPoint slides. Okay, so these are the students who have submitted their homework, i.e. Saron, Harini, Javier, Kieran, and Levon. The rest of you, where is your homework? All right, so I should have more than that. Is there anybody who has submitted your homework and your name is not here? Let me know in the chat. Okay, so in order to make full use of the tutorial lesson, it is really important that you submit your work before coming for the tutorial. Okay, all right, so please make sure that, all right, you submit it for next week's lesson. Okay, regardless of whether exam is over or exam is not over, please continue to do your homework. At the very least, do the MCQ questions. That will be much appreciated and it will help you to benefit more from the tutorial session. Okay, all right, let's continue. Okay, we have one new student, Shaki. Should I call you Shaki? Let me know. Okay, so basically for my lesson, if there's anything you don't understand, please type into the chat. Do not keep quiet if you don't understand. All right, so if I ask any question, you can type your answer into the chat. Do not worry about giving me the wrong answer. Any answer is still a good answer. Even if your answer is wrong, never mind. All right, it is still better than not giving me an answer. If you're not sure, just type into the chat, not sure. All right. Okay, let's move on. This is the ongoing promotion. All right, please continue to share 88 Tuition with your family and friends. All right, so let's quickly do a quick recap. We went through this last week, so now it should be much faster. Can I get the class, okay, to quickly type into the chat? All right, I don't want to call names, so I want to go through this very fast. Okay, so what is the first one? Current, the SI unit. SI means Standard International Unit will be ampere. Thank you, Saron. Oh, it's slanted. All right, so ampere, which is capital A. Okay, let's go on to the next one. You see, so far I only have Saron and Javier typing in the answers for me. The rest of you, I expect to see an answer. Okay, can we go to voltage now? That will be easy. What is the SI unit for voltage? All right, so voltage will be, Saron, you're too fast for me, okay? You slow down for a while. The rest of you quickly, voltage will be what? I only see Saron and Javier's answer. The rest? Harini, what is the answer? SI unit for voltage. Would you like to try, Harini? Okay, thank you. Vote. Right, capital V. Okay, resistance, Kieran, what is the SI unit for resistance? Everyone can type your answer into the chat, but I'll just call a name. But I would like to encourage everyone to type your answer in the chat. Now we're on resistance. Good job, Zeyu, Zainab, Kieran. All right, so ohm. Okay. And then power. All right, the weird, yeah, right, the weird unit. Okay, this is ohm, like this. Okay. Okay, power will be, good job, Zenith. The rest? Natalie, would you like to tell me the SI unit for power? I cannot remember, just quite not sure. Let me admit eyes. Let me mark the attendance for one person first before I forget. Come on, opening too many files. Okay, Ais is here. Ais, just a gentle reminder. Oh, Ais came in again. Okay. Hey, hi, Ais. Gentle reminder, you're up for renewal. Okay. All right. So who was that? Natalie, power is what? Okay, good. So it's what? Capital W. I have a teacher called Mrs. Watt. Right. So I remember her as my powerful maths teacher, Mrs. Watt. All right, force. Everybody, good job, Shaki. All right, good job, Javier. Good job, Harini. Newton. All right, so Newton is the unit for force. All right, so remember weight is also under force. Weight is a type of force. Okay, work done or energy. Next one. Chen Xin, what is the SI unit for work done or energy? Chen Xin. Chen Xin, are you there? Chen Xin, what's the SI unit for work done and energy? Are you there? Okay, I got no response. Okay, but anyway, I can see good answers from Harini, Zenith, Javier, and Zeyi. All right, so work done and energy is joules. Temperature, next question, everyone. All right, Kelvin. Okay, good job, everyone. Kelvin, not degrees Celsius. Okay, then can you do the three together? Type the answer for these three together. All right, everybody type into the chat what is the SI unit for length, the mass, and the time. Okay, excellent answer, Zenith. The rest? Zeyi, first one is wrong. Now you're right, Zeyi. Okay, good job. The rest, quickly give me the length, mass, and time in one line. Okay, good job, Harini. Good job, Ais. You can give me short form also, doesn't matter, all right? You can give me the symbol. Okay, good job, Zuojin. The rest? Caitlin, what is your answer? Kieran, what is your answer? Oh, Caitlin, you type on top. Sorry, where's Caitlin's answer? Eh? Right on top. Okay, now I can see you type together with temperature. Okay, excellent answer, Caitlin. Well done. Okay. Okay, Shaki, well done. Okay, so it's meter, kilogram, and second. All right, let's move on. Okay, question one. The first video I showed just now before, while you're waiting to be admitted, is this is a wheel powered by engine. So it's not like a wheel that you push. It's a wheel that is powered by an engine. Now this red words is not in your worksheet. Please add it in. All right. So this wheel is rotating along the road, moving towards the right. Okay. So those of you who miss out on the video, please watch this video on your own. Okay. So pick the direction. Okay. So for this, if it is moving to the right, then the friction will also be moving to the right. All right. Okay, so it will follow the direction. Okay, so let me admit Sherman. Let me look for Sherman's name. Six. Hang on, find your name. Sherman. Let me see. Sherman, what is your surname? The person who has just come in, Sherman, what is your surname? It doesn't matter. I can't find your name. I don't know why. Okay, I'll just take note then. Lao. Okay, never mind. Thank you. All right, look for it later. All right, because it's a combined class today. All right, so let me go back to this work. All right, so this direction will be to the right. So if you have watched the video, okay, so let's say it is a front powered wheel. So this is the wheel. The cars in the world, most of the cars are actually powered. The engine is here, right? We all know the engine is in front. All right, so this is a front powered wheel. Okay, so the car is moving to the right. Now, if the car is moving to the right, this wheel that is powered by the engine, all right, is the direction of the frictional force on the wheel is to the right. So this is the direction of the frictional force. Okay, so this friction force, all right, is a forward thrust that moves the car forward. Okay, now this wheel at the back, right, is just rolling along. Okay, so in this case, right, this friction is slowing down the car. Imagine in the video just now, imagine let's say your legs are let's say like you're handicapped, your legs are handicapped. Your legs cannot be used, all right? Both your legs are injured. You cannot use both legs. You cannot use both arms. So imagine you are doing leopard crawl on the floor. So you use two hands to crawl like an army soldier, all right? You crawl on the floor, all right, using your two hands. You're dragging your two legs along. So this wheel is like the legs that you're dragging along. All right, then these are like the front wheels will be like your hands. So you're using the front wheel to power the car forward. You're using the front wheel to push yourself forward. So this car is moving to the right. This tire is pushing the car forward. So in this case, the frictional force will follow the direction of the car. However, this back wheel that you're dragging, all right, this back wheel is not powered by the engine. There is no engine going to this, no engine force going to this wheel. So in this case, the frictional force will be in the opposite direction. All right, so the MCQ question over here, this wheel, all right, is actually talking about this front wheel that is powered by the engine. All right, hang on, let me see, is there anyone waiting? Okay, Larissa. All right. So this question, right, this front wheel is the one that they are talking about in this MCQ question. So this is actually the front wheel because it's powered by an engine. So since the car is moving to the right, this frictional force will also be to the right. All right. So if the car is moving to the right, the frictional force of the wheel that is powered by the engine is also moving to the right. All right, so where else, if I change the question to another question, I change the question to the other tire that is not powered by the engine, then the frictional force will be opposite direction as the direction that the car is moving. So if the car is moving to the right, the frictional force on this tire will be to the left. All right, because this tire is not powered by engine. However, for the tire that is powered by the engine, all right, if the car is moving to the right, frictional force is also moving to the right. All right. So for a bicycle, right, just take note that the engine, right, it's as if there's an engine here, there's a chain here, right? You know, the chain is moving, you're pedaling, there's a chain that moves this tire. So it's as if the engine is behind. So for a bicycle, the engine is behind, whereas for a car, the engine is powering the front wheel. All right, for a car, engine is powering the front wheel. However, for a bicycle, the engine, the so-called engine, all right, is powering the back wheel opposite. So bicycle and car is opposite. That's why over here, if you're moving to the right, you're pedaling your bicycle to the right, this wheel is powered by the engine, so-called engine. Therefore, the frictional force is following the direction of the movement is right. But this wheel is not powered by the engine. The frictional force is opposite direction as movement is to the left. Right, so just know bicycle and the car is different. Okay, all right, next, which among the following is multicellular? Can I get everybody to type your answer into the chat quickly? All right, for this question, not everyone has done well. So I have more than half wrong. All right, more than half is wrong. Okay, so the answer should be, all right, A. All right, should be A. Okay, so let me write it here for you. It's okay. So first of all, sperm, right? In PSLE, you know sperm as the male reproductive cell. If you recall what you learned in primary school, male reproductive cell is the sperm. So one sperm is one cell, all right? And therefore, it is unicellular, one cell. Right? Unicellular means one cell. Now, the ovum is the female reproductive cell. It's also known as the egg. All right, so this is the female reproductive cell. So again, it's one cell. So one ovum means one egg, mean one cell. All right, so again, it's unicellular. All right, so please remember, one sperm is one cell. One egg is one cell. Okay, So 8 is